Hello everyone, welcome back to Bever Hearts vlog, and it's a new year, so wishing every one of you a happy new year. I hope that this new year will be a good one, filled with love and prosperity. And in the name of that, me and some friends, we are going to go and visit Adyar Falls, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. Just see the view, like it's so beautiful. Literally, like I feel like we're just seeing the whole of Mengaluru here in this place. You can see there are many people who came. So this is the waterfall. It's like so dry. Okay, so we have finally reached the spot that is the waterfall. As you can see. By the way, this place is so haunted, so I gotta leave early. Bye guys. You can see the road is quite a challenge in order to see the waterfall. Anyways, we're almost nearing to the top. And I can hear some noises coming from behind our back. I got cuts. Oh, it looks good. If you fall down means I'm done. Don't injure yourself, okay? Okay, we are like so tired after going and witnessing the waterfall. Actually, it was like so dry. But wow, it's quite a challenge because the road is too pathetic. Anyways, the view.